Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. Para ito sa mga students na mahilig kumain ng instant noodles like me, try nyo ito. Simple lang, more nutritious at mas masarap. Ayan, merong squid balls, merong halong patola, repolyo, green onions at itlog. Yan guys, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. And thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Ayan, hintayin lang yan maluto. And
this is how to elevate the taste of
malapit
instant
na.
instant.
Halo-halo lang para matunaw yung kanyang flavoring. Actually guys, dinagdagan ko konti ng water kasi marami ang gulay. Ayan, umaapaw. Ayan na guys, luto na. Exciting. Mainit na sabaw. Higup-higupin. And that's it. Ayan. Yan ang finished product. Thank you for watching. Try it and enjoy. See you next time.